Come to Jamaica and feel alright. Jesus. I'm so happy. I just came here rest and relaxation, so I'm gonna give you all a proper tour of this place. But all in all, it's kind of what I thought it would be. So it's a very like bare bones sort of hotel, but to be honest, this trip is just about sleeping, eating, and reading. I brought a book. That's what this is gonna be all about, so I'm very excited about this. I will do a proper tour of the whole place. I came to Travelers Beach Resort. They were really nice, so they gave me, this is it's my airport clothes, but they gave me like a punch thing when I came. I didn't try it, but let me see. It's okay, it's good. But yes, I'm very excited, so I'm gonna put my stuff, get my stuff in order a bit before I explore, take you all with me. But for the most part, what you're gonna see here is outfits, period, and food. That's what I'm here for, outfits, food, and the beach! Oh my God, I'm so excited about this beach, y'all. Oh, even the wind. I'm gonna get myself together, change, and then come back. Today's outfit. Alright, one thing I learned about Jamaica, they gonna have some copyright music, okay? They gonna have some copyright music. Anyway, okay, so this is me. I wanna show you guys a brief tour of the place. Now, obviously, I just got in. Like I said, it's a very bare bones place. So we have the bed, this is my bag. We have this here. What I love about this place is that every evening it has something going on for free. So this seems to be a resort for people that come, that are doing solo travel, which is perfect, which is why I picked it. One, because it's affordable, and two, because it's perfect for people that are doing solo travel. So they always have something in the evening for you to do, just in case you don't want to be going out by yourself alone. So this is at the bed. This one has a fan. It does not have an air AC, which I like because I actually don't even sleep with an AC in New York. My own, we have a fridge. Is this on? Yeah, it's on. We have the place where you can hang things, a safe, obviously, and the bathroom, for the most part, pretty clean. I mean, what else can you ask for? Me again. All right, let me go see if I can get out of here and show you guys. Let me show you a tour of the whole place, at least as I've seen it. Okay. Do you want to say hello? Hello. Horatio, right? Horatio. Yes. Okay, so this is it when you first come in. And the check-in desk is over there. I really like, what's it called, the walls. I want to see if I can get a picture in here. Let's see. Anyway, so yeah, then we come out here and I could take you, so those are the bungalows and mine is one of them. I can't remember, but I really like the way this is set up. They have bungalows on either side, which I like because it makes you feel like you're in your own little something place. I swear I thought that was a lizard. Okay. Then we get here. And this is the pool. Oh my God, there's like so much copyright music, so I might not be able. I wanted to get a photo on top of that. I don't know if I'm gonna swim in the pool. I think I mentioned I've been having a swimming journey, which I actually am getting pretty good. But the way my hair is set up, I don't know if that's gonna work. Anyway, the best part. So I guess the bar, and then the restaurant. Which one really like? This is the restaurant, the view of the beach that it has. And then of course we have access to the beach. Oh yeah, this is the restaurant too. Excuse me. It's another part of the restaurant, which I do not think that I'm gonna, I don't think I'm gonna eat here. Because yeah, I'm trying to try things outside. In fact, I need to hurry up and go. It's gonna get dark, but anyway. Okay, hopefully you were able to see a tour of the place, but it's super cute. It's super cute. So I'm going to go explore. There's this restaurant called 3 Dives. It's outside of the resort, and I'm hungry, okay, because I've been traveling all day. I'm hungry, child. So I'm gonna go try and get something from there. I'm not gonna bring the camera just because it is a bit of a long walk, and I'm like, let me just keep this over here. So yeah, wish me luck on this excursion, but I was told that during the daytime it is completely safe to walk outside. You just want to do it before it gets dark, which is why I'm heading out right now. It's about 3:30, so I want to make sure that I am beating the clock and the time. Okay, just came back from 3 Dives. The food was good, but I'm excited. I wrote a book. So I'm just gonna go. Oh shoot! Look at this. What in the world? Hello. Did not expect that. But yes, I'm gonna go read. This guy is just staring at me. Read on the beach. Me and my woes. Read on the beach, which I'm very excited about, and watch the sunset. It's like, what? Alright, let me go. Off to the beach. I never showed you, but I was able to convert some money into Jamaican dollars. Look at that. Jamaican dollars. And $1 US equals 150, approximately 150 Jamaican dollars. He just, yeah, he just showed me up here. Wow. It doesn't even pick up on the camera how nice it is. Skype you on the phone? No, unfortunately. Nah. But yeah, I can see the beach though. The distance, and right down over there. Wow. Okay, another day in Jamaica, day 2. So I'm going to show you all what I'm wearing, but let's talk about the plans for today. So for today, my plan is to finally go river rafting. I've been wanting to do river rafting. It is kind of expensive, so I'm very excited that I was able to find a deal. So there's someone that there's a lot of people when you come to Jamaica that will be walking around offering different discount rates instead of going through the hotel for excursions. So one of the guys gave me his number the other night on the beach, and I wasn't sure. I was like, I'm not sure if I'm going to use him and let me find things through the hotel. So I went, asked the hotel how much it would cost to be going to Martha Brae, which is where people typically do the river rafting. And they told me it would be $180 on a taxi. This is just me because it's a solo trip. If it's a group, that makes sense because you're all splitting it. But it's just me. So I said, okay, is there a discount? They said no. Then once you get there, how much it would be to raft is $70 because they split it with people. So I said, okay, let me call this guy, let me see what he can do. So he came up with a different option. Apparently there's a place called Savannah Lemur. I'll put it on the screen, but it's another place where they do river rafting. It's not as far actually from my hotel, and because he actually has his own car, and so he does taxi people with his car to these different excursions they want to do, he can drop me off, and that'll be $70 round trip. Okay, I'll still get to do a river rafting experience, but this river rafting experience is only going to be $40. So for me, that is a bit more affordable, especially for someone that is going alone. So that's the plan for today. I'm very excited. Let me show you the outfit. So this is the outfit today. You know, for the river rafting, I figured we need something cute. I'll see if I can set it down. I'm going to wear this on top while I go because I'm not just going to be out here in these streets naked. But let me set it up and see if I can show my outfit. Outfit of today. I'm very excited. Day 2. Alright, let's go. I'm very excited about this. Come to Jamaica and feel alright.
I'll get 3 something up there. I get my Kobe chat, I get my booster. So what the hell you think I'm going to pay take? When you get it to give the people them free. I say I'm not paying for none. Then just turn up looking at me them face like, yeah, I'm not doing it. Yes, I have no problem give back to my poor people. But why?
We made it to the river. Yeah, man. And there's a horse here, actually. Apparently it's a trainee horse, so you can't really interact with it. I'm very happy. I was born by the river. Okay. Did they go? We're good? You want to say hello to my vlog?
Yeah, this is Damien. Jamaica right now. We're about to go get on the raft.
Yeah.
Amber raft.
Exactly.
And we got a boat cruise too.
Cheers.
Fine princess. I'm just here, the tour guide. Yeah.
Thank you. And he's...
You sure you don't have a family here?
Me?
Yeah.
No, why?
You
think I'm Jamaican?
You sure you're not a Jamaican?
I can be.
No, I think you're a Jamaican.
You see?
Honest, you feel
I'm blending.
The fever girl back in my community.
Really?
I was like,
No, I'm not. But you know, I'll take it. I can be Jamaican for today.
No, forever.
Forever. He said forever. But yeah, so there's boats too.
Right, there's the boat. That's the river. That's the biggest river. Cabarita.
What's it called?
Cabarita.
Oh,
Cabarita.
Cabarita.
That's the biggest fish.
Oh. Okay. So we got the Cabarita River.
Yeah, Cabarita.
Cabarita River. And so there, this family is gonna take the boat, but I'm gonna do the raft.
Sign it over here unless you see
on the thing. Okay, I'll catch it on the outside when we go.
Right. Sign.
Okay, on the raft.
On the raft.
Doing it big on the raft.
Yeah, I did, babe. Let me get on my live too, let them know.
You know what I'm saying?
They'll be like, what? Jay, what you doing? I'm like, bro, you know we having a good time. Shit, you see where I'm at? Okay, I don't want to talk shit.
Well,
They gonna be hating that shit.
yeah.
Oh yeah, you on the raft. Good for you.
Where you're from here is not that cool. Right.
See crabs with us.
Crabs
the lobster
came.
to pop up.
Crabs
Waiting for the
came to the
stingray
raft.
to show his face.
Okay. Just got off the raft.
Yeah. River right here.
Sim is with me.
And I got my beautiful friend here today. If it wasn't for her, we would never make this happen. It's a blessing. Some more people came on
You
the
made it
tour with
happen.
us.
Yeah.
We're enjoying it.
This is fun. And you said this is called Savannah
No, Savalamar.
Savalamar. Okay,
Just
so
a
for
Irish.
those that want to do it but you don't want to go to Martha, which might be it is more expensive. You can help support local.
There you go.
Okay, and come to here.
For local, like you said, you know the number. 876-889-1997.
Right, boom.
Trying to make
He's the one
it
that hooked it up. Thank you. All right, we're done with the beach. And we're gonna head back, but now we're gonna take the boat, which I'm excited about. The captain driving. This view.
Yo, she ain't it.
Oh Lord. Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Oh, it feels nice, I know.
Oh my God. I did not expect that. I was not expecting, and I caught it all on camera too. Yes, I happened to be recording. Listen, I learned how to swim like a month ago.
Not in Jamaica.
No, in a pool. So I wouldn't try this.
It's the same thing, you know.
No, they've been swimming from time.
Come on.
I just learned how to swim, so I will not do that. Okay, but look at them go. I'm trying to be like them one day. Okay, made it here because I really want to get some apples. What are these? What's this one?
Sweet sop.
Sweet sop?
Sweet sop.
So they have sweet sop and they have sour sop.
This is the sour sop and this is the sweet sop.
Okay, I never heard of sweet sop.
You can just break it and eat it. This you can heat it and you can make it in a juice.
That's the
Okay,
sour sop.
and this is the knip.
What is this, plum mom?
Sweet sop.
Sweet sop. I've never had sweet
Knip.
sop. Knip.
That's the guinea.
The mangoes.
Okay, these are ripe mangoes.
Yeah, they're all right.
Oh, even green? This one is hard. No, that's not ripe.
Not right. Okay, see these
Oh
right.
yeah, those ones look ripe. Okay.
Sour sop.
Ooh, I'm so sorry.
Everything.
You want too much.
She brought a list.
Give me one of everything.
This how much?
Wow, the pineapples look so good, but
This is tangerine, no.
Oh, sorry. I thought you was the.
Oh Lord have mercy. You see me look like a seller.
You do look like you from over here.
you're blended in. Wow.
Orange.
That's tangerine.
Okay.
No, she don't want to
How do you eat it?
See?
Okay. This seeds?
See?
Okay.
See?
Mom, you
Yeah, I eat the food off the stick.
you have carrot at home?
Yeah, carrot down there.
Eat the food off the stick and flip the seed off.
What you eating? The sour sop?
Sweet one. Okay, can I put that in the bag?
Yeah, we're gonna try.
Thank you so much. This is good. This is really good.
Make it
Mom,
garbage.
you gonna get breadfruit?
Make it garbage.
Alright, sweet sop. I'm into it. This is good.
That's why this is sour sop. This is sweet.
Right, the cancer cells.
This one got more food. The food is.
The cancer cells. And
Oh,
good for the
cancer
nervous
cells.
system. It's good for someone that is hard working, when they use their brain a lot or whatever. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, good. Good to know. Okay, I'm happy with this.
Yeah, I know.
This is sorrel. People use to make sorrel. This is, I've tried this one. Do you want plum? What is that one called? Just plum?
June plum, yeah.
June plum.
That's June plum, yeah.
June plum, alright.
You don't know June plum?
No, I don't know June plum.
Yeah, they got it in the can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just go in the market.
Oh no.
That we grow here.
You tried that one before?
This one? No, I haven't tried
Yeah,
it.
let's cut them up. Let's cut them up like that.
Yeah, I make you try a piece with the salt. It's better.
Oh, this one has salt. Ooh.
Put a little pepper on it too. Salt.
Interesting.
Salt.
Does it have salt?
You know, you go get the mangoes with the salt and vinegar on it.
Mmm. This is good. June plum. Yeah, I've never had that before. Interesting taste.
Very interested to see that a lot of
Back, and we got some fruit, and I decided that I'm going to see Rick's Cafe. People keep talking about Rick's Cafe, watching the sunset on Rick's Cafe, so I'm gonna go take a look and do that later tonight. These are all people that I met while I was here, so you know, if you're doing the solo thing, you might meet some people. So I'm gonna go with the same people that ended up coming on this impromptu and go with them later tonight at 5 to watch the sunset at Rick's and then come back. But before that, I want to get some rest, and I'm gonna grab some food, some patties. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Okay. Just been reading on the beach, but I'm actually quite hungry. Hopefully you can hear me. So I'm gonna go try to get my beef patties now. Me? Which one do people get the most? Which one do people order the most? Yeah, which flavor? Oh. There's not one that's the best one? Okay. She said all of them are good. Okay. Well, I did chicken and beef. Thank you. Thank you. This one. Cocoa bread and cheese. Chicken. You can see the sun setting in this corner right here. Wow, 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 wow. So nice up here. I just came up here to get some nice little pictures and stuff, and to see the view, and chef's kiss, chef's kiss. So, okay. So originally, I was supposed to go to Rick's Cafe to watch the sun drop, but I actually missed that cab. Well, okay, so I didn't miss it. I was supposed to go with the people that I met when I was doing the rafting this morning, but it seems like they just went to Rick's Cafe early to eat there, and then they were gonna watch the sunset. But because they already went, the taxi guy wasn't coming to pick us up here. He didn't know that we didn't go together, that they just went. So when I texted, I was like, hey, where's the taxi? It's 5 o'clock when we were supposed to be picked up. The guy was like, oh shoot, I thought you were with them and they already went to Rick's Cafe, and so we're just gonna pick them up to come back. And I was like, well, no, I'm not. But a part of me was also like, okay, this is great because it'll help me save money. Also, I am actually kind of tired, so I think I'm gonna lounge around in the room, read, sleep, basically what the vacation was supposed to be. Because tomorrow, I don't know how much I'll film of tomorrow, probably just the food, but tomorrow is mainly me trying to get some cute photos around the resort. So you guys saw the resort is pretty nice, and honestly all you need is trees in the background and things look good. And so there's a lot of spaces where I can take some photos. So I have two kind of outfits that I really want to get photos in. One is my bathing suit, which is super colorful, super cute. I'm not gonna lie to you. Got it specifically for this. So I want to get some cute photos in that. And then I have like a cute little black dress number. So hopefully I'll get some photos in that as well. But yeah, nothing mad. So I'm gonna head up back to the room. You can see all my stuff here. I brought my, where is it, tripod, you can see. And this is solo trip things, okay? When you're on a solo trip, make sure you bring your tripod. Make sure you bring one of these handy dandy so you can take the photos. It's gonna come together, it's gonna come together. But I got some cute stuff on here. Let me see if I can show y'all. So I have this photo here. This one I think is really, really pretty. You know, just some stuff. I want to show y'all the video I have. This is just all the stuff I got. But this is it, guys. This was the sunset. So freaking glorious. So freaking glorious. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, let me go back to my room, take off my makeup, take a shower, get ready to just sleep. And I'm so full from the patties. The patties were so good. But yeah, anyway, till tomorrow, guys. It's day 3. So today is gonna be a very simple day for me. Mainly gonna be in the resort. So I'm just this day I planned and blocked off to do things that I like, which is taking pictures of me in beautiful scenery. So if you have Instagram, definitely check out my Instagram, because it should be up by the time this video gets up, I'm sure. So yes, gonna take some pictures of me, gonna eat, have some oxtail today for the first time since I've been here, so I'm very excited about that. But yeah, eat, pictures, beach, reading by the beach. That's what today is gonna be about. But I guess I could show you outside. Another day on the island, another day in paradise. Anyway, so I'm gonna set up. My plan is to get some cute photos over here. Oh god, I hope I didn't lock my room. Okay, we're good. Get some cute photos over here because I think the green is super cute. So I'm gonna set up and do that. Yeah, I'm in a bathing suit now. Got this bathing suit from Shein. I think it's super cute. But yes, gonna get some photos and everything and check back in with you all in a bit. So I was walking around this place a lot to try and find a good location. Ended up finding this, been taking pictures here for a minute actually. It's quite funny because people walk by when I'm doing it, they're like, and I'm like, awkward. Anyway, so I think I got enough. Now I'm gonna go to the beach, lay down, read, all of that. Get back to my side. This is not even that's not even my room. I don't know whose room this is or if it's even occupied, but luckily no one has come out, so that's been great. Great luck. So now I'm gonna go. The mosquitoes have been trying to eat me alive. Oh my god, it's terrible. Okay, let me hurry up and get out of here where these people suck the mosquitoes suck every bit of blood I have left. My sandals, these sandals that I wore here, broke. Okay, so I had to go and buy some overpriced sandals from the gift shop. Luckily they have a gift shop here. Does not go with the outfit. Okay, this is the outfit, but it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab some food. Today should be oxtails. I'm hoping that they have oxtails. Okay, I'm gonna go for this walk, grab this food, and I'm very excited for some oxtails. So let's this is it, and it seems to have a mart on this side where you can go shopping and whatnot. So let's go take a look. Hello. Hi. Usual stuff. And for the most part, everything is looking the same. There's so much mosquito bites. Let's see. I've never seen this before. What is this? A Should get some food, but I have to see how much I have. After. See how much I have after food. Pretty cool. So I guess this is oxtail. What's this one?
Callaloo.
Okay, callaloo. Oh, I never had that either. Callaloo. This is dumpling that's fried, and then this is cooked dumpling. Banana and yam. Okay. I had oxtail before, but not all the other stuff. So yeah.
Let's come together. I want to in my life. Never so one of a kind. I take my life when I see her.
Good morning, day 357. Woo! Anyway, okay. So today the plan is Margaritaville. So I'm going to show you my outfit. I just heard about Margaritaville. It seems like a fun little place that you can go see a lot of touristy things. There's like water slides. It's almost like a water park, but it's free from what I understand. I'm sure you have to pay for certain things or certain access, I'm sure, but I'm not 100% sure what. So I'm gonna go check it out, see what it's all about. I'll show you guys my outfit. The mosquitoes have I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to talk about it. I love these shorts because they're perfect for me. I don't like shorts that are too short, so this works. This gets the job done. Outside. Come to Jamaica, feel alright. Last night was actually really fun listening to the music. They have live performances at this resort. It seems like a lot of resorts offer that, but this one does, so that was really nice to see like a live reggae band. Had a good time watching that. But Margaritaville, I have a bus. So for Margaritaville, the one in Negril anyway, a tip is that they offer a free shuttle. So I set that up. I'm so glad that I was proactive because I only wanted to do 2 things. I was pretty proactive in terms of reaching out, seeing what I can do, seeing what I can get a deal on, honey. And one of the things was Margaritaville. I reached out to them on the email that they have listed there, and they do offer shuttles, especially for the one that I'm going to, because it's 5 minutes drive from the hotel. So that's perfect. I set one up for pickup at 11. So I have some time, meaning that I am gonna create some content about this outfit for the reel that I want to make about my outfits, and then I'm probably gonna go sit in the beach. I haven't gotten into the water, you know. My plan is to get into the water on the last day, which is tomorrow, before I fly out. I have an evening flight, but if I wake up super early, I can have time to go to the beach and the pool, which is definitely on the list. Anyway, all right, let me do that. Yeah, my first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
First time to Jamaica?
Yeah, first time to Jamaica too.
So what took you so long?
I don't know, you know. Never had the right opportunity, the right time.
Well, you get it now, so no waste,
Exactly.
you know?
Exactly.
I know you don't want to come back again and again and again.
Yeah.
You know? So remember, the shuttle come back at 4 o'clock in the evening, okay?
Okay. Assuming the views would be nice from up here, so like let me see it. Oh wow, yeah. Alright, alright. The thing that I would say that I've noticed here, hopefully you can hear me, is that the water is not deep. Like you have to go out very far for the water to get deep, which I like. At first I would see people go out, I'm like, wow, these people can really swim. Then I realized, oh, they can still walk. You can still walk, and the water is so clear and blue. The bus driver told me that this place gets more packed after Christmas because people go home and stuff for Christmas, so I can clearly see that, but I just want to check it out, so I'm excited. They seem to have some places over here where you can get like massages. There's cabana, there's a spa, and all of that. So that's pretty cool. So basically here, hopefully you can hear me, you have to pay for pretty much everything. I did not come with enough cash, which is fine because I had something that I wanted. I had a budget, but yeah, you have to pay for umbrellas. You have to pay for everything. I did buy a coconut though. Because I don't like this whole paper straw business, but I had to. Well, so this was $3, the local price apparently. It's okay. Taste? I don't know, I thought it would taste different.
How would it? Fresh, sweet?
Not that sweet. Not too sweet.
Some sweet, some are fresh. We can't know until we taste it.
Oh, that's the difference, sweet and fresh. Back in the room from Margaritaville. So next stop is food because I'm so freaking hungry. I'm so freaking hungry. So I'm gonna go to this place called, what is it called? Guys, if you only understand that I don't have Wi-Fi when I leave this place, so I have been resorting to using my phone when I have Wi-Fi to map out the place, and then hoping that that map stays, which it does stay. I've noticed, I learned this in Nigeria actually, that even when you don't have Wi-Fi, as long as you keep that page open and don't close it, it will keep the map and the route that you're on, so I could still use that and find my way. But anyway, the name of the spot is Sweet Spice. So I'm excited, I'm gonna go there. I might stop at Hammond's again to get me a beef patty because tomorrow is a shorter day because that's when I'm flying out, leaving, and I might not have time to go out and get food for myself, but I'm determined not to eat at this resort because I already heard the food was trash. Also, patties are like 200 Jamaican dollars, which is equivalent of $1.25 almost, and the patties, when I say rau, okay, delicious. So I really would like to have one before I go. So depending on how much Jamaican dollars I have after this dinner, I will absolutely be passing by Hammond, which is actually on the way to Sweet Spice, so it's perfect, grabbing me a beef patty, and if I have some extra coin, honey, some cocoa bread for 200 Jamaican dollars because it's delicious. Delicious. Okay, and I'll save them for tomorrow. Anyway, I think I'm gonna change. Right now I'm wearing this bathing suit top. I just feel a bit weird just walking out with this, so I might change and try and come up with something and show y'all. No light is on in this place. Okay, the outfit I came up with, basically just threw this on, and then this is a bra. Because these pants are high-waisted and loose, I figured it works. Okay, it works. It just works. Okay, when I say I'm walking to dinner, this is what I mean. Just me, open road, my Google, and just walking. First of all, I was walking on that side of the street the whole time, not even realizing that there's a sidewalk here. So glad I figured that out. But anyway, this place is like 19 minutes away, so I figured, you know, let me walk. And I've been walking pretty much everywhere that I've been going in terms of restaurants, so I chose places walking distance, except 3 dives. 3 dives I took a cab, but yeah. On my stroll.
Now there is the potential. Well, needs to reset and re-perform his rituals.
nighttime. We're doing a walk along the beach. I will say, out of all the trip, I loved doing the solo trip. I feel like it's been such a fun experience. But I can honestly say that I think this part, walking on the beach, would be so much more fun and enjoyable and sweet with somebody. So yeah, I enjoy it, but and I like the time to think. I always like long walks because it does give me time to think. But I think this particular setting is making me feel like, oh, it would be nice. Soon come. Soon come. But yeah, it's beautiful. Okay. Well, oh wow, here I am. So today is the last day, the last few hours essentially, and I have not been in the water since I've been here because I know how my scalp could get when it gets wet, especially with chlorine and salt water. It could get a bit itchy, so I wanted to do it on the last day, a day where I would be going home and then I could do something about it, like have my products and everything. But there's no way that I'm leaving here without getting in the Jamaican water. You mad? You crazy? Alright, so I'm gonna go, but I'm not taking you guys because, child, where am I gonna put you? I'm gonna be in the water. So yeah, ready to go.